Establishing a general admissions ticket in TAM is very straightforward. We simply go to the SKUs option. We can create as many different levels as we would like. So in my case, I've got a general admissions adult ticket pulled up on the screen. And all we do is simply enter in a description on the item. We're going to indicate to the system that it is a ticket type SKU or SKU type ticket. This means that it's going to track revenues only. It's not going to track inventory quantities or anything like that. We're going to indicate our department and category, and we're going to indicate the type of ticket that we want to produce, if any. The options here are none, receipt, and many different other format types. I'm going to choose receipt for my general admissions. I don't want to produce a costly ticket. I just want to let them use their receipt as proof of purchase. Now remember that receipt will print with a barcode on it. We'll see that a little bit later in the demo. We can set up any pricing levels that we want. We can have different pricing levels for different organizations or different persons in the organization. We can have pictures attached to it, so we're able to load a picture. So in my case, it's a zoo general admission, so I've got a nice image there. We have capability to publish it to the web or not. I have published this ticket to the web. And we can put in memo information. One final thing, obviously very important, is ticket information. This tab is only available on a ticket type SKU, and it acts differently in a general admission or a capacity-based advanced stage selling ticket. In this case, again, I've stated that it is a general admission ticket. I'm going to have it automatically redeemed to the cash register, so I don't want to do a redemption step. As soon as I sell it, a few moments later, the system will redeem it. We also can set up start dates, expiration dates. I'm letting mine expire in 120 days. Once we've filled in this information, we simply click Add or Update, and the ticket is established. Selling a general admissions ticket in any customer-facing area can be done simply through the cash register. The cash register has the left-hand portion of the screen set up for what we call quick SKUs and groups of quick SKUs. So we just create a group for general admission tickets. We can have as many of these tickets in here as we want. We can have as many groups as we want. I've got two different levels for children, child under 3 and above, senior and adult. I've got some member guest tickets available for member sales. Let's go ahead and sell that adult ticket. All we do is simply touch the ticket that we'd like to sell. It appears on the right hand side. Very easy to increase quantities with the last SKU plus or minus key. Could put in the quantities ahead of time if it was a very large number. All we're going to do is go ahead and tender the sale by touching the tender sale button. We can't collect roundup donations at any time. We're leaving that through all the demos. And we're able to then tender any form of payment. We can take any credit card by simply swiping it. The system will go out and get a fully PCI DSS compliant, fully tokenized authorization, so very secure. We can do split tenders as well if we'd like. I'm just going to go ahead and take MasterCard and Visa. We're going to go ahead and end the sale. At this point, the receipt is going to print, because remember, I set up my general admission tickets not to produce a ticket, but instead to let my customer use the receipt as proof of purchase. And you can see here on the receipt is very clear. We've got the ability to see exactly what was purchased. We even have barcodes that can be used for redemption purposes. Now in this case, I'm doing auto redemption on my tickets, so that step is not necessary. But again, you can see it's all available. Then finally, let's talk about selling general admission tickets online. It's very straightforward. Once we've published it to the web, as we did earlier in the demonstration, we're able to see that ticket shown in our list of events. So we're able to view all of our different ticket types. We're able to select, our visitor should I say, is able to select the ticket that they're interested in purchasing. You can see here that we're able to filter, so we make the customer experience as easy as possible. So we're able to filter by event type or month if they want to look forward for a visit they're coming later. I'm just going to go ahead and select that adult general admission we've been using through the demo. I could increase the quantity here at this point, but no, I'm just going to be buying one, so it's as simple as adding it to the cart. Now whenever we sell admission tickets, we do have to identify ourselves in the program, so we do have to register for the site. I've done that already in a previous demonstration, so I didn't have to do it, but you can see then the tickets that are being purchased are shown in the shopping cart. If we were to check out at this point, then we're able to simply click the checkout button, and we can do it on a one-page process, so it's very straightforward. There's not a lot of pages that we have to go through. In the case of selling admissions, we don't have any shipping methods or anything that are required because the ticket is self-fulfilling. That means that once I process this order by putting in my payment information and my security code and things like that, I can click process order. I will get an email confirmation of the order sent to my email, and I will then be able to click on a link and produce the tickets. The tickets are in Acrobat format, and they're very secure. That's why we need to log in. And they can be produced on any standard inkjet or laser printer. They can even be stored in your smartphone or iPad and displayed. And if the organization has 2D scanners, we can simply scan off those digital devices as well. The ticket format can be any way that you like. You can see it here on the screen. Ticket format includes things like the ticket barcode and event information, or general admissions in this case, in the bottom right corner. It allows us to do any type of sponsoring, banners or headers or footers that we want. Our terms and conditions are printed on there. Now, even though I've said that general admission is a ticket that is not redeemed, those that are sold on the web still must be redeemed. That's going to prevent anybody from producing the ticket multiple times and reusing that same ticket ID. That's all there is to selling general admissions online.